Welcome to this guided sleep meditation. Tonight, we'll embark on a journey to relax your body, calm your mind, and invite positive dreams for a restful night's sleep. Find a comfortable position in your bed. Close your eyes, and let's begin. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Releasing any tension you might be holding on to. Now, we'll work on relaxing each part of your body. Starting with your toes, imagine a warm, soothing light traveling up from your feet to your head. Feel the tension melting away with each breath. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. Acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale tranquility, exhale any worries. As you drift into slumber, I'll repeat affirmations to promote a peaceful night's sleep and positive dreams. Feel free to repeat them silently or aloud. I am safe and protected as I sleep. I release any stress or tension from my body and mind. I welcome calmness and serenity into my dreams. I am deserving of a restful and rejuvenating sleep. I let go of any worries from the day. Tomorrow is a new beginning. My dreams are filled with positivity and joy. My mind is free from racing thoughts. I surrender to sleep. Each breath I take guides me deeper into peaceful slumber. I am in harmony with the rhythm of the universe. I attract pleasant and enlightening dreams. My subconscious is a place of safety and comfort. I am grateful for the blessings of this day and the night ahead. I release all negativity, making space for positivity in my dreams. My body and mind are completely relaxed, ready for rest. I embrace the healing power of sleep. I am filled with gratitude, love, and peace. I trust that everything will work out for my highest good. My dreams are a reflection of my inner wisdom and creativity. Sleep is a sacred time for my body to rejuvenate and heal. I am worthy of a restful and delightful night's sleep. Now, let's visualize a serene and positive dream. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place where you feel safe and content. Picture the details of this place and let yourself immerse in its beauty. As you continue to relax, know that you are in control of your dreams. You have the power to shape them with positive thoughts and intentions. Trust in the process and allow yourself to be open to the possibilities of a wonderful night's rest. It's time to let go and surrender to sleep. May your dreams be filled with positivity, love, and light. Thank you for joining me on this guided sleep meditation journey. Sweet dreams.